Muffins, the Explore-first, no-code test automation platform, is built for testers like me who love to explore. Explore the app fully. On Muffins, I simply explore. Every click and interaction is automatically converted into automation-ready test cases. No weeks of test case writing, no scripting stress. That's why I can cover 80 to 90% of an app in just 2 days. 70% of my efforts are saved during the design. As I start exploring the app on Muffins' proprietary browser, Muffins captures every single thing I do and generates test cases. Every click, every field, every transition is captured. All understood, all structured, and all turned into test cases. With one tap on Generate Test Case, my exploration turns into clean test design. On the right panel, test cases appear in real time, in natural English. No code, no keywords, no diagrams, no syntax, no script writing. Just plain English, exactly like how we speak. I can add verifications, I can stop generation, save and create new cases. And if I want to design from requirements, I simply open the Requirements tab. What more I can see here? I can link and create test cases with Jira or many other tools. I can also create reusable blocks to save tons of time while designing repetitive cases. All visual, all clean, all within Muffins. While making my reusable blocks work smoothly, I can rely on the object repository. Here I have visual support on what I need to link and leave no room for errors. Check this out. Now, since I'm working on a user registration form, when I execute the test, I'm going to get an error. The email used in the generation cannot be repeated. So now I can go and create a variable on the Test Data tab. And Muffins gives us 3 options. Create a fixed variable, generate a random static value, or use existing data previously uploaded. In my case, I will generate random data. I choose the length of the data and how many I want to generate. Finally, I'm going to link this variable to the test. While I work, everything quietly connects itself. Requirements, test design, execution, defects. It's all in one window, one place to manage end-to-end quality. As I mentioned before, we can link our stories with several tools. My team currently uses Jira. With our smart filters, we can navigate through all of our requirements. Also, if needed, we can view a specific test case story and manage it, all within Muffins. In this scenario, we need to replace an object on our design. The sign-in buttons appears to be missing, so we can do this manually. One of our strongest features is time saving. Now you can replace the object in all of your tests with just one click. Now let's run our manual heal test. As you can see, our sign-in button is now working in all of our test cases. Muffins combines classical algorithms with vision-based LLM intelligence to deliver self-healing automation. That's why maintenance drops from 50% to less than 5%. When I automate tests, one of the biggest challenges is that scripts usually need to be updated every time the application changes. For example, this is the sign-in button. Originally, this button was inside a container. Now it's at the top of the page. So visually and structurally, the component has changed its location in the application. Normally, this kind of change would break an automated test. However, let's see how Muffins continues to interact with this component. Muffins locators are not based only on position or hierarchy. We use a custom-built algorithm that identifies components based on multiple attributes, allowing the test to remain stable even when the element changes its location. Now that automation is ready, I run everything right here. I open the Execution tab, select what I want, and let multiple test suites run. Different datasets, different browsers, different environments, all happen in one place. No scripts, I just choose and run. Muffins offers a lot of flexibility when it comes to executing test cases. This is where I define how, when, and where the execution will take place. Let me select a test case and take a look at the execution options that Muffins provides. The first thing I see is that multiple environments are already configured. This means that if I'm working with more than one environment, I can execute my tests without having to maintain or modify any scripts. I select the environment, and next I decide when I want to run the test. I can either execute it immediately, or I can schedule the execution for a later time. Once I select when the test will run, I choose where it will run. I have the option to execute it on my local machine, or I can register another computer, a server, or any other machine, as long as it's properly configured. In this case, I'm going to run the test on my local machine. Next, I select the browser. I'll choose Chrome, but if I wanted to run it in Edge, I could simply select it. I also have the option to use responsive mode and execute the test on a simulated iOS or Android device. If I'm working with a PWA application, that option is also available. Finally, I choose the visibility mode. I can watch the execution in real time, or I can run it in a minimized mode. In this case, I'll run the execution in headed mode so I can see it happening. I also have the option to send execution reports if needed. Once everything is configured, I start the execution. And as we can see here, Muffins successfully executes the test case as expected. And now we can verify everything passed. When a test fails, Muffins does something wonderful. It automatically converts test failures into detailed JIRA tickets and triggers retests. Show defect logs, screenshots, steps to reproduce. Developers get clarity on what to fix immediately. Now, let's talk about reporting. As you can see here, we have the option to export reports at any stage. I select the items here, choose the type of report, and click on Generate. As we can see, reports are generated for our test cases, test folders, and test scenarios. We also get detailed views of the test cases themselves. I can control the level of detail and decide how much data goes into the report. And these are not the only reports we can generate. I can also generate requirement reports. I can generate execution run reports. When it comes to execution runs, the execution highlights give me a clear summary of what happened during the run. In addition to PDF reports, Muffins also provides HTML reports. Here, for example, I can open a failed run. I click on Import Run, check the status, click Install, and immediately see where the test failed. Muffins documents everything. Every run, every design, every fix. This is where everything comes together. Everything phase is connected. Every artifact is linked. Every change is updated in real time. With Muffins, I build quality and reliability in hours, not weeks. As I explore, Muffins automatically generates and maintains the testing assets to build quality. Work that once took weeks or months is completed in a few hours or a couple of days. This allows me to explore deeper, achieve higher test coverage, uncover hidden defects earlier, and prevent issues from reaching production. Muffins doesn't just make testing easier, it makes reliable software delivery faster.